It's that time of year again. Platforms are down. Didn't get the tree yet, obviously, but it's train time. Let's see if we can't get it running.
Season ends.
Got the music on. It's icing outside currently. Okay, Charlotte. Welcome to the train set. Double face kisses at once. As I said, no guarantees. This is going to be prone to havoc a lot. Are you ready, kiddo? I'm not moving. Let's see if it was just a need for a full train, Charlotte. Oh. Oh my. Oh wow. Oh, you love it. Look at it go. Look at it go. Hey Charlotte, what do you think of the train?
Oh, Charlotte, back in my day.
We use this same train.
Look at her.
Whoa. Just wait till there's a Christmas town here too, Charlotte.
What do you see? There it is. Wow, there it goes. You like the train?
All you do. It's icy out there.
Yes, it is.
Bird feeders have gained dreadlocks.
Look at Charlotte. Look at the icicles on the bird feeders. You see them? Oh boy, look at that cardinals, the leading seed.
Hi,
No
kid.
clue that they're just gonna get dumped on. Well, I think they do have a clue.
We got Snowstorm starting.
Would you like to see what size you were in a month from now?
1 year challenge.
How big are you now? Wow!
You got the same head shape the whole time.
You grew so big. Same head shape the whole time.
Yeah. Charlotte, what's going on? What's going on? Do we have a big snow day today? We do. It's snowing like crazy outside. Let's go see. Here, we'll look out this window first, okay? Wow. Holy moly. Let's go to the next one. What does it look like out front? What does it look like out front? Oh my. Look at that, Charlotte. It's so snowy. We'll have to see if we can't get you out there later. This is what it should have been like yesterday. Do we think it snowed in the back? Oh, here, before we check the back, these windows are better for seeing snow over here. Oh, wow. Holy moly. Yeah, I know, I see it too. I see it too. Wow. It's snow. Amazing.
That just smells so good. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. This cardinal fell. Are you stuck, Cardinal? I think he might be stuck. No, he's out. Struggle bus. Charlotte, we just got word. We just got word, Charlotte.
You want to tell Daddy?
Charlotte, what's the good news? School's closed. We got a snow day. Yay! Yay! Okay. What are we gonna do?
Are you ready to discover snow?
Here's our fresh cupful
It's
from
cold.
outside.
Put it down, put it down. Oh my goodness. Wow, you ready? Woo, it's so cold. You ready, Charlotte? Let's roll up a sleeve. What do you think? You ready to discover some snow?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think? Charlotte, look.
She doesn't think much.
Is it cold? What do you think?
Feel it. Yeah, put her hand in it.
Oh, what is that? Yeah, what's this? What is this? Is that cold?
Charlotte, quit being obsessed with the camera. Oh, your first snow touch.
What do you think?
Oh, now you're smiling.
You're like, whoa, what is this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold. What was that?
Good job, Charlotte.
What do you think? What do you think of this?
Charlotte, you didn't even look at the snow.
Look at Charlotte, it's snow. See? It's snow. What is that? What is that? Oh.
Oops.